Okay, I'm at 437 Canary Lane. Probably just went active today. It's listed for 250. This one is 1,400 square feet total. This is split level. You got newer concrete, put it like that. Good retaining wall. Got drainage at the bottom down there. Just gorgeous, and they covered a lot of the bases. Let's walk through real quick. So the window's updated. You got an updated storm door. You got a video doorbell. Step inside. You got hardwood floors. We're gonna go up to the main floor. You got the living room, dining room combination here. Again, hardwood floors. You got a lot of ceiling fans. Every room. This family living room. There's dining room back there. So ceiling fans in almost all your family areas. And then we circle on around to the kitchen. Got your island, your counter, your eat up counter, your island here. So we got Formica cabinets, stainless appliances. Got a little pantry there. Your additional storage. There you go. And then open the door. There you go. The pantry. There's storage above the fridge. All these oak cabinets. Double sink. Go out back. It's a double deck. It's completely fenced in. Vinyl fence. AC and water heater are furnished rather. Look updated. Carrier systems. Completely fenced. Like I said, double deck. So this is the upper and the lower section. And might as well go on up to the back. On the rest of the back, here's a gate. Guarantee this will sell more than 250 compared to what's coming on the market, but it's a nice size yard. So here's the full back view. And it's a lovely day today. It's gonna be like 60. It's February 1st, ain't that something? In Missouri. All right, y'all, let's go back inside. Even this door is nice. You got the updated door. You got the built-in screens. And all right, down the hall to the bedrooms. Before we hit the bedroom, we got the first bath, full bath. The bedrooms and the baths have this laminate floor. And actually, I mean, it's just nice and clean and there's some updates, but the showers and like the tub and all that area is original, nice and clean. Here's your main bedroom. Like I said, ceiling fans in every bedroom. Nice size. You got the closet there. Matter of fact, they gave us a dimensions for your bedroom. 14 by 11 for this bedroom. And it has a full bath right here as well, with the walk-in shower. All right. And bedroom 2 and 3. Again, ceiling fans. If you don't need to make it a bedroom, this can make it for a nice office with a view of the front of the house. Then bedroom 3. So get nice and spacious, nice and neutral. You don't have to do anything here. Just move right on in. And then downstairs, you got a family room. Nice family room downstairs. That same laminate floor down here. There's the laundry room. And you can either do gas or electric hookup on this laundry. And there's another utility room here. Could be another for more storage, all season clothes. Women can fill this up with shoes alone in most cases. Storage under the steps. And then your garage entry is right here. You have a 2-car garage. Open, look like updated openers. At least, yeah, both of them. Okay, both of them. There's storage above there. Storage over here, nice and organized. Storage over there. So wherever you get storage in this house, they got storage. So again, this is 437 Canary Lane in St. Charles. $250 asking price. Guarantee it's gonna go for more than that.